So we saw that Dogecoin and the overall crypto market witnessed a dip recently. But good things are starting to happen now. And in this video, I'm going to talk about where we are headed from here. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So the overall crypto market saw a dip in the last couple of days. We saw that Dogecoin was also down, and everyone was thinking like there is going to be a major crash from here. But that is not going to happen with either Dogecoin or the overall crypto market. In fact, we are now seeing that the market is showing some signs of recovery now. You can see here that almost all cryptos are back in the green now, and the total crypto market cap has increased by almost 3% in the last 24 hours. Moreover, you can see here that the crypto market fear and greed index has also improved in the last 24 hours. It has jumped from 22 points to 28 points, and it means that the extreme fear sentiment in the market is now gradually fading away. And now let's come to Dogecoin. So we are now seeing that it is also showing some signs of recovery, and it means that Doge is eyeing to come out of the recent dip. And the good thing is that Doge has maintained its support around the 17 cents mark even during the recent dip. And this is why I was telling you all that Dogecoin is not going to crash, and there was nothing to worry about. We only saw a short-term dip for Doge and the overall market, so there was no need to panic. And now as we are entering the new year, we can expect Dogecoin to show some momentum from here. This is because we saw that despite this recent price dip, Dogecoin managed to surge massively throughout this year. And as per Yahoo Finance's senior crypto reporter David Hollerith, Dogecoin was trading at roughly 1 cent in January 2021, and it quadrupled in 24 hours during the same week when Wall Street Bets traders inflated GameStop's prices. Moreover, Elon Musk purchased Dogecoin a week later and tweeted about it, and he called it the people's currency. And David Hollerith thinks that it was the watershed moment for Dogecoin. And he stated that Dogecoin witnessed an increase in celebrity endorsements after Musk's support for it. And this is why, in May, it reached a high of 73 cents. And that's a 13,000% rise in 5 months from January. So the point is that even if Doge is now trading around 76% lower than its all-time high, it remains about 1,200% higher than it was a year ago. And Dogecoin is still huge in terms of surpassing the expectations for something that skeptics and crypto fans alike may say has relatively little underlying worth. So this is pretty bullish for Dogecoin, and it shows us that Doge is going to get more pumps in 2022. And 2022 is looking better for Dogecoin because we know that a lot of major developments are going to happen for it. And as I have shared before, Dogecoin developer Michai Lumen has revealed that 2022 is going to be the year where some massive global developments for Dogecoin will happen. And he also revealed that the Dogecoin team is making some real impactful strides. And I think that he is referring to the recently revealed trail map by the Dogecoin Foundation. And as we know, some major projects are going to happen for Dogecoin as per this trail map. From the transition of Dogecoin from proof of work to proof of stake to the Giga Wallet project, these initiatives are going to enhance Dogecoin's scalability and utility. Moreover, we have a whole lot of other huge developments lined up for Dogecoin, and all these projects are going to happen in 2022. From Tesla's acceptance and Robinhood wallets to the Doge One Moon mission and the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge, Dogecoin has a lot of exciting things in store for it. And as we know, all these are going to be huge catalysts for Dogecoin that will fuel its price to new highs in the future. And the best part is that all of this will lead to the widespread adoption of Doge. So the point is that Dogecoin holders should not get worried about these occasional price dips for Dogecoin. This is because these dips are for the short term only, and holders should focus on the long term. And if we look at the long-term basis, Dogecoin is going to see huge pumps owing to all these much anticipated developments. All in all, I'm pretty excited for Dogecoin as things are now turning out pretty nice for it over the long term. And this is why I think that we are going to see Doge growing rapidly in 2021 and beyond, both in terms of its price and adoption. And now there are some positive updates for Dogecoin and other cryptos coming out right now. So let's take a peek into it. So we are now seeing that assets in global crypto funds rose from $24 billion in 2020 to about $63 billion in 2021. And as per Bloomberg intelligence data, the number of investment vehicles tracking crypto globally climbed to 80 in 2021, up from 35 the previous year. So it is now obvious that global crypto adoption has started to take off. And if you look at inflows from a volume perspective, it has been steady even with the price corrections that cryptos are famous for. And we are seeing that a lot of major institutions have jumped into the crypto sector. And this adoption is only going to rise in the next year as well. Moreover, if we talk about 2021, we are seeing that many countries have embraced cryptos throughout this year. From El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender and the acceptance of Bitcoin ETFs to Dubai becoming a crypto hub and Canada regulating crypto investment products, 2021 has been a watershed moment for cryptos. Moreover, El Salvador, Dubai, and Canada are not the only countries that serve as examples of positive crypto regulation in 2021. Among other increasingly crypto-friendly jurisdictions is Australia, which has been actively moving to adopt new crypto regulations and became a major location for crypto-related ETF listings this year. Overall, we have seen a massive adoption of cryptos this year. And another example of rising crypto adoption has been that major athletes and sports teams have also embraced cryptos. And just recently, Kevin Lee, a professional mixed martial arts fighter, has revealed that he will now be paid in Bitcoin. A Russia-based Eagle Fighting Championship will be paying Lee in Bitcoin as part of a 4-fight contract. Moreover, Kevin Lee believes that Bitcoin provides financial security, and that is exactly why he preferred to take his paycheck in Bitcoin. So the point is that we are now seeing that almost every sector in the world is now realizing the value of cryptos. And this is why crypto adoption boomed in 2021, and it will continue to surge in the coming years. And another positive update is that crypto exchange Binance has recently received approval from the Central Bank of Bahrain to establish itself as a crypto asset service provider in the Kingdom of Bahrain. So we are now seeing that more and more countries are providing regulatory approval to major crypto exchanges. And this means that now more and more people throughout the world will be able to buy, sell, and trade their favorite cryptos. And as a result, the trading volume of the overall crypto market will surge, resulting in massive price increases. Moreover, this is just another bullish indicator for Dogecoin because we know that it is one of the most popular cryptos in the world. And with more regulatory approvals of crypto exchanges, more and more investors will invest in Dogecoin. And now let's talk about Bitcoin for a minute. So we are now seeing that Bitcoin is also showing some signs of recovery here. It has now moved up to the 48K price level after increasing by 3% in the last 24 hours. And the good thing is that Bitcoin is now inches away from its 20-day simple moving average, and it is going to move up from there. So this means that Bitcoin has also started a recovery phase after the recent dip, and I think Bitcoin is going to show some strength from here. Moreover, crypto market analysts are now highlighting the potential for a green first week for Bitcoin and the overall crypto market in January. Crypto analyst Alex Kruger believes that as part of the first week of the year effect, Bitcoin and other cryptos are going to trade in the green. Kruger pointed out that for the past 4 years straight, Bitcoin has enjoyed positive returns in the first week of January ranging from 7% to 36% between 2018 and 2021. And in 2021, Bitcoin grew from 28K range to 41K range in the first week of January. His optimistic outlook for Bitcoin in early January comes from his expectation of strong fund inflows into the market. So he expects Bitcoin, along with the overall market, to gain massively in early January. And another good thing that is happening for Bitcoin is that major firms are investing more and more in it. And we are now seeing that business intelligence firm MicroStrategy has purchased more than 1,900 Bitcoin between December 9 and December 29. The firm bought it for about $94 million, making its total holdings more than 124,000 Bitcoin. And with this recent buy, the company's holdings are valued at roughly $6 billion, representing more than $2 billion in gains. So the point here is that major firms like MicroStrategy are investing more and more in Bitcoin and other cryptos. And the best thing is that they are making big profits from it. So after seeing all these things, it can be stated that cryptos are going to get massive traction in 2022 and beyond. And as I stated before, holders should not be worried about these short-term price dips. They should be focused on the long term because the overall crypto market outlook is pretty bullish in the longer run. And this is why I'm pretty bullish about Dogecoin. And as I have been saying recently, 2022 is going to be a big year for Doge both in terms of price and adoption.